is up? We are finally here on the riverbank.
Finally.
It's a beautiful day. I'm getting nibbles on my liver. Happy. You know, someone's in the original spot, but that's okay. We're still having a good time. It's beautiful out here, too.
Yes, it is.
A lot of boats out today. Too many boats for my liking.
Hell yeah.
We're going to flip this on whenever you get a bite, right?
Oh yeah, we're going to flip it on.
Oh, God, hold that for a second. It's playing with my liver, man. Take it.
Look at that excited man. He is so happy.
3 hours later.
Hey there, friends. We ain't catching a damn thing. A lot of bites. I ain't got nothing on my minnow. Nothing. Not even a nibble.
This minnow's probably been out there for the last at least 5 minutes.
He probably wiggled himself off.
By now, you think with nothing coming on that line, this old fella right here would actually pull this line in. But as you can see, it's
I'll
still...
pull this line and smack you in the damn face. Let's see what's on here. I bet it's a minnow that's half eaten.
Look at that minnow that's half eaten.
Watch this half eaten.
Oh wait, no, that's Kyle. I'm sorry, guys. Let's just keep on.
You're hilarious, aren't you? Wait, let's look at this minnow.
Oh,
there he is.
He's still there.
He's just chilling.
Just dead as a doornail.
Dead as a doornail, that's for sure.
All right,
But now what? I think we need to wait till dusk.
Yeah, let's go ahead and wait for dusk.
Until the
Well,
sun goes down.
guys, we're gonna wrap this up and have some fun. Probably go get something to eat.
Get
and
some
then
women.
We'll be back out here later on tonight. Alright, so as you can see, we got Kyle down on the ground because he's a little out of weight.
Out of weight?
That's some f***ed up shit for me to say.
I'm
Seeing
out of
I'm
weight.
fat anyways.
You ain't here.
He's
Where the shoe go?
back there.
How far down?
This guy just fell down carrying this small cooler. Let me emphasize, small cooler. He can't.
Something on the ground for you.
Let's see what he's got.
Yes. Yes. That's for you. I'll save it for later too.
Right back at you.
That's all you.
Hey, since you got that for me, I got something for you. You can take that back with you. As we walk back to this van here, we're gonna try back here in a little bit. Got to go get some refreshments and maybe go get some minnows. But we'll see you guys here in a little bit.
Well, Brock forgot our fucking bucket. Now we have to drive down to the riverbank hoping no one stole it.
Oh, shut up. As we're sitting here driving down this old country ass road that Kyle used to live on.
I call home.
He calls home.
You know that thing's already gone.
So hopefully as we get back here, this bucket's still here because we need that to get our minnows. So we're taking this old ass road. Now I'm telling you, this shit is all. I mean, it's probably like this in multiple places. You'll see it all over the place. Old ass, all this trees and shit. I'm a city boy, so I don't see all this kind of shit all the time. It's beautiful to me. A city boy. I never got to imagine what it would be like to see all this.
Alright, hold on, here we go.
Let's cross our fingers. I hope this van doesn't fall apart as we're going down this hill. We're gonna play some chicken real quick with this van.
Van to van.
Van to van. Well, come to find out,
It's gone. They stole it. No, it's there.
Was it in the same spot?
Besides the current drifting it down a little bit, it was in the same spot.
Look at that. So much courtesy out here. Nobody even steals your shit while you leave.
I walked down. The guy was like, "Hey, y'all left y'all's bucket over there."
Did he?
No, he didn't.
Oh man. So we're gonna go get some minnows. Hopefully, if we don't get shot. If you guys don't hear from us again, it's probably because we got shot.
And he don't want us taking the minnows.
He don't want us taking the minnows.
Now, those are my minnows. This was a family video.
Family video right there.
That was shut down.
Nice pawn shop.
The owner put cameras in the tanning rooms and was watching people tan. Ew. And now it's a pawn shop. With the same owner, ironically.
With the same owner.
Cannot believe there's no more bait shops than just that one.
I know, guys. Come on. There's got to be people out there that want to make some bait shops out here in Kentucky. We need some bait shops.
Yeah, because that's everybody's dream, is making a bait shop in Kentucky.
Look, somebody's dream is out there, Kyle.
Is it? Okay.
Kyle.
Okay. Bait shop.
Look at me. You want a bait shop?
I love bait shop.
The wives ain't moving.
You're not buying a long shot.
The kids might, but the wives.
Can you
The wives
imagine
move.
he's trying to start that conversation? Ladies, listen. We've got a great idea. Let's move to Kentucky and start a bait shop. Have you lost your mind?
Or you have to start it with, listen, don't cut me off. Let me get the whole thing out before you say no.
That's what we have to do. Coming up on it.
Alright, here we go, guys. We're coming up on this bridge. If we don't make it, it's because we got shot. Oh, snaps. The trucks are there.
Multiple trucks are there.
Kyle's going to be the one that's walking up to this house, so... Alright, guys.
It should be Brooke and...
Good night to everybody. No, just kidding. We're not going to bed yet. This is, it's pretty late at night right now. It's probably about 10 o'clock. We finally got our minnows, which took way longer than we thought. Looky, guys. Kyle for the first one of the night. Got a nice little catfish. Little baby. But hey, it's better than not catching nothing. You excited over there, Kyle?
Hell yeah.
Kid,
That
don't.
chicken liver man took it and went.
Is that what that was chicken liver?
Yeah.
So, first one of the night with chicken liver. How about that? Well, guys, hate to do this, but I'm going to get back at it because my pole's moving. Oh, looky. Nice. And there he goes. Right back in the water he swims. Looky. Kyle with the second fish of the night. Get fresh with it.
Chicken liver again, man.
Chicken liver again. Winner, chicken dinner.
Oh, there it goes.
Well, Kyle's going to save its life here and throw it back in the water.
There you go.
Oh, looky.
All right, there it goes. Have fun.
Hey guys, well, not having such a great morning. Cast my fishing line out, and for some reason it just broke before even got no water.
Snap, sploosh.
Kyle over here, he's doing all right. He's got a little baby fish.
Yeah, it's a little one.
That's all right. That's a good start for him.
One. It's a little tiny bass, striped bass.
Look at that little tiny striped bass.
He's like, why do I even try?
Oh my God, I was hungry.
Come here, little man. That's a pretty one right there. Calm down. Quit your flapping. You're getting me all wet.
That's what she said.
There you go.
Lucky, lucky.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He's like, you stole my breakfast.